I'm Brian Moon, CEO of PTC.
And I'm Bill Barney, President and Chair of the PTC Board of Governors.
We're here to invite you to PTC '26 right here in Honolulu, Hawaii, at the renowned Hilton Hawaiian Village.
It's the perfect setting for what will be our 48th annual event, an incredible milestone for PTC.
That's right. This January, we'll bring together leaders from across the digital infrastructure industry to connect, collaborate, and shape the future.
Now, Brian, take us through what to expect at PTC '26.
PTC '26 is where the biggest challenges of our time meet the brightest minds in the industry. From managing AI workloads and meeting growing cloud demands to addressing the ongoing impact of digital transformation, our center stage and our new Alakai stage sessions will tackle the trends shaping the connected world as AI continues to revolutionize how we build digital infrastructure into the future.
This isn't just another event. At PTC '26, you'll build meaningful connections, pitch your ideas, and participate in programs like the PTC Top Talent Leadership Development Program with Columbia Business School. We're also proud to continue our PTC Beyond program, which creates opportunity for our 35 and under rising stars, and our women's programs, now called the Week of Lalima, focused on empowering leaders across the industry.
And of course, we'll celebrate the best of the best with the PTC '26 Awards, recognizing excellence and innovation in our field. And as with tradition, we'll end on a high note with the PTC annual soccer match.
PTC isn't just about watching the future unfold. It's about being part of the conversation shaping it and the community driving it forward.
But here's the thing, space is limited. So register now to select your meeting rooms and sponsorship packages before they're gone.
That's right. Book early to confirm your space at the conference.
Aloha and see you at PTC '26.
Aloha.